In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Updraftplus to Google Drive. This is a crucial step if you want to ensure that your WordPress backups are securely stored off-site and easily accessible when needed. Let's walk through this process together in a few simple steps. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Look in the admin menu and navigate to Settings. From there, find Updraftplus Backups. Sometimes it might be located directly in the admin menu, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've located it, click on it to open up the settings for Updraftplus. When you're in the Updraftplus dashboard, you'll notice several tabs. Focus on the one labeled Settings. Clicking on this will open a variety of options that allow you to customize how your backups are handled. You're going to want to look for a section titled something like Copying Your Backup to Remote Storage or Choose Your Remote Storage. This is where you can link a remote storage service of your choice. From the drop-down list you'll see under this section, select Google Drive. This choice means that your backups will be copied to your Google Drive account, ensuring you have an off-site backup in case anything goes wrong with your website. Once you've selected Google Drive, don't forget to scroll down a little. You're going to see a button that reads Save Changes. It's crucial to click this to ensure that your choice of Google Drive as your storage option is saved within Updraftplus. Sometimes the button might be labeled differently, like just Save, but the purpose is the same, to lock in the changes you've just made. After hitting Save, Updraftplus will prompt you to authenticate or authorize with Google. You'll encounter a link or button labeled something like Authenticate with Google or Sign in with Google. Go ahead and click it. Clicking this will redirect you to Google's login page. Now, log into the Google account where you'd like your backups to be stored. Once logged in, Google will ask for your permission to allow Updraftplus access to your Google Drive. It's important to grant this permission to enable the connection. After you've allowed access, you'll be whisked back to your WordPress site or right back into the Updraftplus settings. To finalize everything, you might need to click a button that says Complete Setup or Finish Authorization. This officially establishes the link between Updraftplus and your Google Drive. And there you have it. Your Updraftplus is now synced with Google Drive. When you run a backup, whether manually or automatically, Updraftplus will now upload your backup files directly to your Google Drive. This setup not only enhances the security of your data, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your website's backup is safely tucked away.